Hey everyone, this is Miss Ree with JP Makeup Studio, and I am so happy to be doing another video. Sometimes it seems like it's not enough hours in a day to get everything done, but I was glad to actually squeeze this in, and I hope you guys have been doing well. I have been doing well, just been a little busy with trying to get things together, more with Aerglo and coming out with some new products, so I want y'all to stay tuned for that. If you have not done so, please subscribe to my mailing list at jpmakeupstudio.com. So let's get into this look today. I'm just priming my eyes and I'm going to be working with the Jackie Aina Palette. I was so happy to finally pick up this palette. It is so beautiful. The packaging, everything from the colors on the inside, everything was just really nice. And just look at this. Let me open this up so y'all can see all these colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Those purples. So up here in the corner, you can actually see I listed everything in order from 1, 2, 3, and 4 for all the colors I'm going to be using today. And actually I'm starting off with a very light brown for my back transition color, and I'm just going to take all those other colors and just pop them into my crease and blend them into one another just to create this very nice purple brownish type look. And I'm just using one of my Morphe brushes, and I will link everything below so that way you guys will actually know, just in case if you want to go out and purchase these things. But I do love using the Morphe brushes. They work wonders, especially for blending. And also I am using on my lid from that Jackie Aina palette. If you were not able to see the names, the color of this one is called Zam, Z-A-M-N, and it's kind of like a rose gold, but it's more goldish color than rose, like a rose, than a rose color, excuse me. But it's very beautiful. It does give a little kickback as far as fallout, but it's not bad. So if you are putting on your shadow before if you are putting on your foundation before your shadows, I just suggest that you spray your brush with some makeup spray, so that way you can minimize the fallout. And here I'm just adding some glitter to my eye from my palette, Aerglo, and I'm using the color Dream, which is one of my favorite colors. It's a lot of my customers' favorite colors too. Every time they come, they'll say, give me that Dream, or I want that brown one. It's so pretty. But it really is pretty. And I did use a little bit of glitter, NYX Glitter Primer, before I added that on. And if y'all know me, y'all know that I love my Clinique foundation. I've been using this stuff for like the last 5 years. I just love it. And also I picked up Juvias foundation too. This is like my second time using it, and it's a very good foundation. And I just mix that in with the Clinique because the Clinique has a tendency to give off more of a yellow type of look on my skin. So I just mix that in just to kind of balance out the two. And I'm just taking some Mario, I want to say Badesco. I don't have the product in front of me, so if I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. But I'm just spraying that on my foundation brush, just to saturate and to give me a little bit of moisture because my skin is very dry. And here I'm just highlighting, and I'm using the Revolution. This is a new concealer for me. And I think it's okay. I'm not a fan of the smell. It kind of smells medicine-y to me. So I would prefer a concealer that does not have such a strong odor to it. but it's okay. And I just put up in the corner, just linked a little video in there how I actually do my highlighting and contouring. And I'm using the Black Radiance powder. I always use that to contour. And so you can just see how my technique is, and the beauty blender just to blend that in, that concealer. So here I'm just adding some blush just to give me a little bit of color in my cheeks, and dragging that just upward. And now I'm going back in with that palette, and on here I'm just basically using two of those colors that I used out of the palette, and I'm going in with the color Pinker. And now I'm just putting in some eyeliner, black eyeliner, and I will link below what type of eyeliner I am using. It is by Maybelline, and it's a waterproof. And I'm going in with Zam again, and I'm just popping that right underneath my waterline in the corner of my eyes. And I use a little bit of Trust Issues. I'm sorry, y'all, I forgot to label that, but I am using a little bit of Trust Issues from the palette and just popping that in my corner. And these lashes I actually got from my beauty supply, so I will link it below as well. And these lashes are so pretty. I wear them like a lot. And here I'm just using the Wet n Wild lip liner, lining these gorgeous lips of mine. And I'm gonna top that off with some Revlon lip gloss. This lip gloss is like very, very glossy. It has like a lot of sparkle to it, and it's very, very pretty. I know a lot of people don't think to pick up Revlon lip gloss, but it is so beautiful. You gotta try it. And they always got a sale going on. I'm going to end this look with the Wet n Wild highlighter. I will link it below. And I am going to spray my face and break out my living single hat, since that's how I'm living my life now, like it's golden, happy, free, and just loving it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video, and hit that notification button so you can be notified when I post a new video. Y'all take care.